What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a review of this ear product right here, which I have right here in the background from TASALON. So I'm just going to unbox it, show you guys what's inside and how it basically works. Alright guys, so I'm going to unbox it right now. As you can see, this is the user manual right here. Alright guys, so basically this is how it looks. As you can see right here, 8 part right here which goes on the top. Alright guys, so this is the product right here, as you can see, from TASALON Professional. So this basically can dry your ears. So if you're working in an ear salon, you can use this product right here. As you can see, we have the feet right here, which it can basically move around. As you can see, we have some adjustment right here. We can basically adjust it to the length or how you basically want it. So this is how it's looking. We have some control button on here. As you can see, top, we have an on and off button on the top right there. As you can see, so we have the timer right here. We have the medium pace, high, low, and we have the heat fan right here to basically show how fast the fan will go. And this is how it looking really great. As you can see right here, that's how inside right here look, where the fan and heat coming from. And this is looking nice. So I'm just gonna turn it on so you guys can see. And this turn on is basically a timer, so you can set the time how you want it to turn on. So for example, I want to set on 10 minutes, so you can hear it blowing right now. And this can adjust up and down, basically how you want it to adjust. And we can set the temperature up here. So if I'm setting it on high, you can set it right here. You can set the temperature gauge and right here, and it basically heating up. Up here you can set the fan speed, so it's on low right now, it is on high. And that's how it basically looking so far guys. All this design, so you can see on the back right here, this part can adjust up and down. Very easy to set up. I'm loving this product right here, looking pretty neat. You can shut it off with that clean sound, know that it is finished. So this is basically my review of this product right here. Hope you guys find this video very helpful.